Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you step-by-step dance tutorial for this. The video is mirrored, so my right is your right and my left is your left. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Alright, the first part starts from here. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this you're gonna hop on your right leg and lift your left leg, and then hop on your left and lift your right leg. So together 1, 2, and then from here you will bend and then up. And now you're gonna bring your left leg forward and then you look up. So let's do it from here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you will walk to your right. And you have to grab your shirt while doing this. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4. And now you'll place your hands like this and walk 2 steps forward. 1, 2, and now you'll go 1, 2. So after coming to the right, your right hand goes from here and to your head. 1, 2. And at the same time you have to jump and then lift your left leg. Let's do it again. 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. And right after this you'll do 1, 2. And right after this you'll tap your left leg 2 times, and at the same time your 2 hands on your head, and then you'll move your hand in, out, but you have to do it little fast, like 1, 2. So after this you'll go 1, 2. Let's do it from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And right after this you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. So right after this you'll jump on your left leg and then lift your right leg, and then tap your right leg, and now bring your left leg back of your right, and then hop on your left leg and lift your right leg. Bring out your left leg, and then you'll do 1, 2. And with your hand, your right hand will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do with the hands and legs together. Ready? From here, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's do from the beginning with the counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5. Let's do it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. From here, your right hand will be up and then your left hand will be at the center. And now you will kick your right leg 2 times. 1, 2. Together. 1, 2. Let's do it from the beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now after this, you're gonna do 1 and then 2. Step on your right leg and then left. 1 and then 2. Again 1, 2. And with your hands 1, 2, and 3, 4. So to the right, make a cross with your hands and then open. And to the left, with your right hand, forward and then bring it back. And your left hand will be on your leg. And after this, you're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. So after this, put your hands together and then bring your right leg back. And now you're gonna move your body to the left 2 times. 1, 2. And now you'll open your right leg and grab your shirt. So after moving 2 times to the left, you're gonna open your legs, but you have to stand on your heel. From here, you'll open your legs out and then in. Your hand will be here same. So from here, 1, 2. Now you'll bend to your right, pulling your shirt. So from here, you're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. Now let's do from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do from the beginning till here with the counts. Ready? 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, now let's learn the second part. So right after this, you're gonna do 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5. So after this, you bring your left leg forward and then open, close, open, close. So from here, you'll do 1, 2 and now you'll step back 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna do this 2 times and then you'll tap your left leg and then hop on your right leg. Like 1, 2 and 3. So you're gonna do 3 times. So from here 1, 2, 3. And with your hands and shoulders, your hands will be down and then you'll move your shoulder 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Ready? 1, 2 and 3. Let's do it from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1. And after the third count, you're gonna jump on your right leg like this and then left. So from here, ready? 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So right after this, you're gonna move 1, 2, 3. So for that, you have to bend and then you'll move towards your right and then left and then right. At the same time, you have to move forward 1, 2, 3. So after 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after coming forward, you're gonna bring your right leg back and then your left leg front. So at the same time, 1 and then you're gonna bend to your right and your hands will be doing this. So together after 1, 2, 3, 4 and then from here your wrist and place it like this, and for the next count you're gonna switch. So from here 1, 2 and with your leg you're gonna bring your right leg to the front and then back, and for the third count you're gonna bring your left hand down and with your right hand 1, 2, 3, like you're punching someone. You're gonna punch 2 times back, and for your legs, your left leg will be moving to your left, center, and at the same time your right leg will be doing 1, 2 together 1, 2. Let's do it from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. And after this, you'll move your hands in and then out. And at the same time, you're going to bend to your left and then right. And also, you'll bring your left leg to the back. Together, after this, 1, 2. And now, you'll bring your right leg back. And now, you're going to bring your hands here. So, from here, you're going to do 1, 2, and 3, 4. And right after this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here you're gonna kick your right leg forward, back, forward, and now you'll bring it back of your left. So together from here 1, 2 and 3, 4, and now your left hand up and then your right hand same, and now you'll step out your right leg and then you'll do 1, 2 and 3. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna twist your right leg 1, 2, 3. So now let's do it from here. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's do the second part from here with the counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's do the first and second part together with 50% speed. Ready? So that's it guys, I hope this is helpful and thank you so much for watching my video. And if you want to support my channel, you can send super thanks stickers or $sign down below the video. And don't forget to like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel for more dance content, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.